How to connect Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. So what you need to do is launch your Telegram app and search Notcoins. After that, tap on this channel on Telegram. Here you need to join this channel. After joining this channel, you'll get this option of launch app with wallet picture on it. Just tap on launch app. And there you go. You have connected your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. You may just send or add crypto or exchange anything. You can also see the transaction history here and see the dollars history as well. You may send, receive, add crypto or exchange dollars, and tap on more assets and choose any of the assets that you may like. After you're done, you get a notification in your Telegram as well of how the Telegram wallet has been connected with your Tonkeeper. So in this way, you can connect your Telegram wallet with Tonkeeper. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful.